Hi everyone, welcome back to MGT Tech Learning channel. I am Makroya and today I am going to share the top 3 ways to keep your online account safe from hackers. We will cover passwords, two-factor authentications, and how to stop phishing attacks. Stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end to protect you or your online life. The first one is use strong and unique passwords. Do not use the same passwords for all your accounts. This is how to make your password secure and strong. The first tip is don't reuse the same password for all your accounts. And also make your passwords long and unpredictable. Sometimes more than 12 characters is best. So when you make these long characters, the best way to remember your password is to use password manager like Bitwarden or LastPass to store them safely. For example, instead of using a password like password 123, use something like G5 at KZ exclamation 72QLMZ. This kind of password is good because it's a mix of characters and it is long, so it is difficult to be broken easily. So you won't remember it, but your password manager will remember it. Password manager such as Bitwarden and LastPass helps you in remembering this long and strong password. The second tip is to enable two-factor authentications. It adds an extra layer of security. Use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. So this is the first step. The second step we will see today. So enable two-factor authentications or 2FA. It is in short pronounced like 2FA. This means after entering your password, you also enter a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. It makes it much harder for attackers to access your account, even if they know your password. And now let us proceed to the third tips. Watch out for phishing attacks. It's the best way to secure yourself online. Be aware of phishing attacks. When we say phishing means it's the type of cyber attack where hackers try to trick you into giving away your personal information like passwords, credit card numbers, or other sensitive data. So how this phishing works? You get fake email, message, or website that looks like it is from a real company like your bank or social media. The message often asks you to click a link or enter your login details. If you fall for it, the attacker steals your information and they can use it to hack your accounts or steal money. For example, you receive an email that looks like it is from your bank saying your account has a problem. Click here to fix it. But the link takes you to fake website made by hackers. So the best way to avoid this is don't click suspicious links or attachments. Check the sender's email address carefully. Always visit websites by typing the URL yourself, not through links. Use security software to help spot phishing attempts. This is the best way to keep or look for phishing attacks. So there are fake emails, websites that try to trick you into giving up your login details. Always double check the sender's email and don't click on links unless you are sure they are safe. or from known senders. For example, if you get an email from sample email such as support@yourbank.securelogin.com, stop, that is scam. Always visit websites by typing the address manually. That's the best way to watch for phishing attacks. And additional tips as a bonus to keep yourself online safe is here some bonus tips, like keep your software up to date. You have to update your softwares every time. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive work. Don't use public Wi-Fi for sensitive work. Always log out on shared computers. You have to log out when you log into shared computers. Regularly check your account for any suspicious activity. The best way to keep your data online safe. So, lastly, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and share your questions in the comments. Stay safe online. Thank you for being with me, and goodbye for